This is Leah. And you are now watching Leah's Multiverse. This crazy little girl will be our tour guide through a roller coaster of emotions. So sit down, relax, and enjoy the show. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Guys, hello, good morning, how do you do? What is going on? Good morning, good afternoon, good night. What is taking place? So, we're on a serious mission today. Let me tell you what that serious mission is. I have never in my life, in my 18 years of living, me never met the perfect homemade fries, like chop up the potato them myself and make the fries properly and fry chicken properly. But today we are the wings. But me never do it properly, like all together all at once by myself perfectly. The fries them always come out soggy. Sometimes the chicken come out burnt. Sometimes I don't like how something tastes. Sometimes in the middle of it, me get lazy and decide me not bother want do it. But that is not the case today. Today we are making perfectly done wings and fries, and it might just be like probably like KFC, cause me feel like more have some corn on the cob to that. If me have corn, if me not have the corn, then we're gonna just squat so that would have just forget me ever said that to you, right? But yeah, today we're gonna cut up potatoes and make them crispy and perfectly cooked, right? And I've been doing a whole lot of research from morning, from daylight, from me hear the rooster out the door.
P.S. You don't hear roosters in the UK.
Me a research to find the best way to make fries and don't make them soggy. So we're gonna figure that out today. We're gonna do that today, and that me say and that me mean. And me don't feel like a fry mega fry them. Me don't know if frying it is the best way or putting it in the oven is the better way. I don't necessarily know. But we're go because to be honest, me already get lazy, This is why me I think we put it in the oven, because I want to fry fries and then fry chicken. But I just oven fries and fry chicken. Yeah, I thought we were gonna do, because I'm lazy bad. I feel like I want to do this right now. Alright guys, so come to the conclusion, say we're not gonna be lazy and we're gonna actually fry the fries, because me too damn lazy. Every day me get up about me, you want to be lazy. If you stop it and do better. Do better. You're on the road of becoming a perfectly good chef that is unemployed. An unemployed chef, a chef will cook for themselves. That is what you want. Unless things take a different turn and you actually cook for other people. But for right now, you're a chef will cook for yourself. That is what you want. You want to have the best food in the UK, in Jamaica, in the world. You can't get that by being lazy, girl. So you gotta do it. You gotta fry the fries. And it's gonna be amazing. Yeah, let's go. Alright guys, the first order of business is obviously peel and slice up the potato them. But I heard that to get the best fries, you like partially cook the fries, not the fries, the potato them, like half cook them, and then you take them out of the water and fling it in a little cold water, maybe, I think. Then you dry it and you fling a little flour, just a little tip of flour upon it, because usually you're supposed to use corn flour or cornstarch, but me not have none of that, so I use regular flour. You just put a little tip over it and then you fry it. That's one like a lot of work, but we're gonna do because we want the best thing pan since sliced bread. So first we're gonna slice up the potato them, cook them, and then fry them.
What you want?
guys, as you can see, my potatoes are very well peeled. Props to me. Now we have to cut them up into some nice little fries, right? Oh, we're gonna do that? I don't necessarily sure, but we're gonna figure it out. Yes. So in the video I'm gonna watch, it's if you turn it into a square. Alright, yes, it's a square. Cut off the end, the booty parts. Cut them off. Not too much now, because you don't want to waste your potato. And you cut the side. You start at the side because it's gonna turn it into a square, right? And then you cut like that, right? Alright guys, so I managed to cut up the fries them, and this is the outcome. This is how them look. You see? You look like fries. No, I did a good job. And all of them look some, and I'm gonna tell you the lie, we take out the two perfect looking one them and show you. So we got them here. And now we're gonna put them in the water that's on the stove boiling for a little bit of time, a few minutes, just to get them slightly cooked, and then we fry them. Guys, so me finish partially boil the potato them now, and now we have to dry them. This is way too much work for a girl like me, you know. You see me, I put me in a hot potato. Nobody ever asked me to put my hand in the hot potato still, but still I'm doing it for the love of the game. Cause it could have never be another reason. Has to be for the love of the game. I feel like somebody may cook too much still, you know. Yeah, somebody may cook too much. But the one them we cook at the perfect amount, and them the way I work with. Cause some of them really come out do exactly how I did want it, but the other one them too digging through and cook too much. You get what I say? So now we dash them out on the plate here. Excuse me, shut up. Dash them out on the plate here. Come on. So we can dry them. You can't go dry another plate. So I do this off camera because it did take a very long time. But my flour did something there. I know if I do them correctly because it kind of look away. It look like this, but let's just see if we do something sensible or not. And we have the oil in the pot right here, so I hot. If you put it in now, so I could just see what me do make sense.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so since the fries over there are going with itself, I'm very proud of it by the way. We're gonna work on the chicken. On the chicken we have all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning, paprika, garlic oil, and some other something we can't remember right now. And we have the same thing in the flour. So we're gonna flour the chicken, and then by the time the fries them done, I'm supposed to can fling the chicken in the pot, right? Right. So we'll fry a few of the chicken then, but we don't know how it tastes yet. Me take off my mic and I don't know how to put it again. Wait. Try clip it onto somewhere. Alright, so okay. You taste it. It's bad now. It's bad. Woo! Wait! Wait, call it might be the juiciest chicken I ever fried. Oh, well. Guys, look. Me a chef and that's that. So guys, I'm done doing me I do. I'm running up on my roof, hide from my father. So, daddy, if you watch this, don't you're on a diet. You're on a diet, you can't eat them food there. Anyways, taste. Make we see if the hack actually work, because usually if cats them cold now, but when me usually fry them would all be very wonky by them time because them cold. Them get very soggy and stuff. But no, them don't soggy at all. There's some good fries, there's some good chips. Let's see now. Them probably fresh coming over. Me did supposed to put salt on it immediately after I fry it, so that the oil can stick the salt to the fries. But me never did that, me didn't forget. I was busy. Anyways, taste this. Them taste different. Them taste like kind of sweetish, kind of. But them cool. Me guarantee you, say any other made it hot, them would have bad. Them still bad, but they would have badder. Me start eat them hot. But because me can't fry chicken and then fry fries, because me usually use the same oil, and if you fry the chicken first, it's gonna leave all of the brown there in it. Then it's gonna stick onto the fries, and my fries are gonna look ugly. Me don't like ugly fries, so I fry the fries first, then I fry the chicken. So that's why my fries cool now. But any of them did hot, they would have bad. They would have bad for true. Anyways, enough of the fries now. To the chicken. Although I give you a taste test for the chicken already, no, we'll give you another one, because why not? Of all of this chicken here, why not give you a taste test right there? So, ooh, look. No man. Them have to put KFC out of business like right now. Like immediately. Woo! 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 Guys, I open my restaurant in the morning. Make sure they did it. Make sure you know the first person at the door. Knock on the door so me know so not out there. Right guys, so I have returned. I know me if you do my outro. If you love the video, like the video, send it to your mother, your father, your auntie, your sister, your brother, your uncle, your rat, your cancer, your son, and everybody who you believe no antipat. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. I love you. Mwah.